Let's take it down the road, wash and roll. This goes out for you co-workers, staying up in their grind. Yeah, they're working so hard just to wash them and roll them out the door. Get them spick and span, looking so clean and fresh on a dusty back road. Yeah, you're gonna load up in your car, head down and wash and roll. And these are the fellers you need to go see down at the car wash. They wash and roll them cars right out the door. They get them clean with a fresh new look as they cruise down the road. Folks wanna come back to this same old car wash because they do such a good job. They keep your car so fresh and so clean. I know a little bit about washing them cars too. Yeah, detailing with the toothbrush, getting in the groove. Yeah, washing the wheels with your hands, putting some elbow grease in it. Yeah, they get into it, they wash them cars and they roll them out. Oh, wash and roll. Wash and roll them cars. Wash and roll them cars like Alabama fans when they roll the tide in the early morning when they get up. Roll the sheets back, yeah. But I live in Tennessee, I'm a Tennessean tried and true. But I know these car wash workers working so hard for you. They gon' wash them and roll them right out the door. Wash and roll, they the best that you know on them back roads. Y'all go and see them at the car wash. Yeah, they're at the car wash. At the car wash. Washing them cars at the car wash. Wash and roll at the car wash. With them co-workers down at the car wash. Car wash, down at the car wash. Them car washers, they washing them cars. They keeping them shiny, they keeping it real. They wash and roll them out the door. Fresh and clean. Oh, wash and roll down at the car wash. Oh, wash and roll down at the car wash. Yeah, get it, baby. Let's go. Blow.